Okay, seismology. That's the study of earthquakes. We're going to look at a map like this, has a lot of different colors. What they're trying to figure out here is what do the colors mean, where are earthquakes happening the most, and what pattern do we see involving the depth of those earthquakes. So speaking of depth, the colors on this map indicate depth. Red is shallow, then you've got yellow, then green, and then blue is the deepest earthquakes. And you can see some blue happening over here. There's some blue happening right here. We've got some blue happening in this upper region here as well. Okay, I'm kind of far away because there's a table between me and this map, sorry. So you can see that a lot of earthquakes have happened or are happening around the world. Most of them are shallow. There's a lot of shallow earthquake happening here in Europe. There's also this really interesting line of shallow earthquakes here that kind of trace the edges of the continents. Like this one that's going through the middle kind of looks like the coasts of the continents that are on either side of it. And there's another shape here. Another going this way. A lot of those shallow earthquakes happening in the middle of the ocean. But also, similarly, places where there are lots of volcanoes, like near the edges of coasts and things, like up here in Alaska and down through the United States and down through Central and Southern America. And then back over here in Indonesia, there, and then up through Asia and down by Australia as well. There are a lot of volcanoes, or earthquakes rather, that are getting deeper as you go. So let's get in and look at one of these really quick. As we get a little bit closer here, you can see this is the area that's around the Asian continent. Okay, so as you're moving from out here in the Pacific Ocean towards the continent, you can see you're getting from shallower earthquakes, and as you go this way, they're getting deeper. Okay, so that's something that I want you to keep an eye on because it's kind of related to these volcanoes that you saw on the last map. Similarly, in South America, you can see the same pattern, but going from left this time where the ocean is to right where the continent is. So that's the big stuff that we wanted to see on this map, and we'll start putting it together in a minute.